A big winter storm could be coming tomorrow night, so it might be worth double checking that your home is ready for this winter weather. 22 News reporter Christina DeMorris joins us live from Chicopee. Christina, you spoke with a home contractor about what people should look out for before the storm.
I did, and they advised that people should prepare their home for a winter storm as soon as possible and after to check for damage as well.
Winter's worst could be right around the corner, and it could also bring damage to your home. Bill Sweeney, owner of Mr. Home in Wilbraham, said you should be on the lookout for water damage and snow blocking your chimney.
Make sure that there's no obstruction to the chimney for proper ventilation of your boiler or your furnace, or if it comes out the side of the house through a PVC pipe, we want to make sure that that pipe has no restrictions on it or blockages.
To prepare your home for winter weather, experts recommend that you remove overhanging tree limbs that could snap off under heavy snow and onto your roof. Also consider sealing cracks around windows and doors. That way cold drafts and moisture damage won't occur.
A couple hours before the storm, put sand down on all walkways to help melt the snow. After the storm, you can add sand onto icy walkways as well.
To further prepare for snow removal, dig out your snowblower early and fire it up to make sure it works properly. Cleaning your gutters and downspouts can prevent water clogging and damage to your foundation. In older homes, frozen pipes can also lead to water damage, so it is recommended to wrap pipes in insulation and to leave the sink cabinets open.
And as always, make sure to make a winter storm supply checklist as well as to stock up. Working for you live in Chicopee, Christina DeMorris, 22 News.